So for guys, this is really easy to control. Hi my friends, and welcome my fellow shoppers. So today we are checking out this beautiful miniature. It's not really miniature, it's more a medium-sized drone. So this is the HS280, and this is by Holy Stone, and their drones are some of the best, and let me go ahead and show you guys why. So guys, there's a few drones that I buy, the brands, and I love Holy Stone. Their drones are always really fun, so I always like to get the newest model and the different ones. So let's go ahead and show you. So what's nice here is they actually show you which button goes for what. That's awesome. So guys, when you open this centerpiece up, this is where your phone goes. So your phone goes right in there. You have multiple buttons right in there. You have your speed and other accessory buttons. You will need 4 AAA batteries in the back. You pull out these little pins and they're for holding, so it just gives you extra support when holding this. The joystick is pretty tight. So this is what the battery looks like. You press the button and then pull the battery out to release it. They give you extra wings, screwdriver, screws. You get your charger right here. So it's just a USB charger. So this is the actual drone. They give you another battery that's already inside there. You get your camera right on the front. Go ahead and take this red piece off. That you don't need anymore. That's just to prevent the battery that was in there to be actual functioned. So you pull out the wings. Make sure you pull out the top wings first, and this is what it looks like. So actually, it's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. The listing looked like it was smaller, but this actually is a pretty decent sized drone. I mean, I have medium sized hands. Your power button is right here, so you press and hold it to power it on.